Uh, you see, of course, weather reports and systems, the technology is very high, right now, in the sense that we do get different kind of reports from the IMD every now and then. So there are numbers of technologies that are available, which give us a fair amount of warning in terms of how the weather reports will be. But it's difficult to predict really in an accurate manner what the rains will bring in. For example, today there was a report that we'll get about 10 mm of rain in the district and in the area. But you can all see that the 10 mm finished or rather poured in before even the sun rose. So therefore, yes, we have mechanisms, but sometimes things don't go as predicted, and maybe this is one of the situations like that. But yes, whatever technology can be put into place to give us a more accurate reading of the weather conditions, we'd be happy to do that, and we'll definitely explore those options.